do all these things all at once. If the ES is going to turn into a trade right now, it's going to give us a down close on this bar. If this bar closes up, it's going to crunch up the ribbon too much. Right? We're on that last one on the YM. We ended up with just a couple of ticks. Let's put a blue arrow over there. And the ES now has a high here of 29.25. So we're going to sell 8 ticks below the high of the bar. This is a 7-tick range. So we're selling 8 ticks below the high of the bar. All right. And we're doing it on the old and on the new. Trying to do it on the old and the new at the same time. Okay. It's got to happen on this bar. If this bar closes up, there's not going to be a trade here on the ES. Okay. If it closes up, there'll be no trade there on the ES. If it closes down, we're going to have the trade trigger in. Hopefully right here at 725. Hopefully. And it just slipped me a tick. It closed down and it slipped me a tick. And it's got me in both of these right here. There's the stop on this one. There's the stop on this one. They both slipped. This stop is going to break even. I don't know how to move the stop to break even on this one yet. But let me see. Let me see. All right, so we're out of break even on the ES trade. What we anticipate is that the ES is going to get all the way down here. Okay, we ended up with a break even, but we anticipate it's going to get all the way down here.